In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage a table of contents in Google Docs. This feature is particularly useful for ensuring that your document is well organized and easy to navigate, especially if you're working on a lengthy report, a thesis, or any multi-section piece. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a dynamic table of contents that updates automatically every time you make changes to your document. To begin with, it's essential to apply headings to your document. Open up your Google Doc and start by highlighting the title of each section you'd like to include, such as Chapter 1 or Introduction. Once highlighted, navigate to the toolbar where you'll find options for different heading styles. Use Heading 1 for your main titles, Heading 2 for subsections, and Heading wet for smaller sections. Continue this process until all your sections and subsections are clearly defined with the appropriate heading styles. This is a crucial step because without these headings, your table of contents simply won't function as intended. With your headings in place, it's time to insert the table of contents. Decide where you'd like this table to appear. Typically, it's placed right after the title page. Click on the spot where you want it to go, then head up to the Insert tab at the top of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Table of Contents. Here, you'll be given a choice of styles, either plain text with clickable links, which is very handy for digital readers, or a version with page numbers offering a more traditional look. Go ahead and select the style that best suits your needs. Once selected, Google Docs will generate your table of contents automatically. You'll now see your headings listed there, creating a clear outline of your document. But what if you later decide to edit your headings, add new sections, or if page numbers change as your document evolves? No worries. The table of contents is designed to be dynamic and can easily be updated. Simply click inside your table of contents and you'll see a refresh icon appear on the left side. Click that icon and your table of contents will immediately update itself with the latest headings and page numbers, ensuring that everything stays current and accurate. Finally, a quick note on customization. While the default style of the table of contents is quite functional, you do have the option to change the font, size, or color of the text within the table of contents without affecting the headings in your actual document. Additionally, you can also move the table of contents to any other part of your document if you decide to reorganize for any reason. And there you have it. A comprehensive guide to working with a table of contents in Google Docs. By following these steps, you'll keep your document organized and professional, providing readers an easy and efficient way to navigate through your content.